Hey guys, so I am back with another protective style, and this video is in partnership with My Black is Beautiful. Today I'll be using the Golden Milk with Honey and Coconut Oil collection. Listen, when I tell you this collection is super hydrating, I think you just got to see it to believe it. So I'm starting with dirty hair and kicking it off with product number one, the My Black is Beautiful Hydrating Shampoo. Now you guys know how I always talk about certain shampoos just strip your hair and make it feel incredibly hard and straw-like. Well, this shampoo gets in there, gets all that gunk and dirt out of your hair, cleanses your scalp, and still makes your hair feel like it is somewhat moisturized. This is my absolute favorite part of my wash day routine, and that's conditioning. I am now using the My Black is Beautiful Fortifying Conditioner. I love this because right after using the shampoo that was still so hydrating, mbib was like, you know what, here's some extra hydration for you. Let's go ahead and slap some more on there. Now for the intense recovery treatment. Sometimes our hair just be going through it and we need just a little bit more hydration, more conditioning to our wash day routine. So I left that on there for like 15 minutes. And this treatment is not only going to strengthen your hair, but it's also going to help with manageability and also shine. The My Black is Beautiful Tangle Slayer Condition Cream. Some of my favorite words: conditioning, hydrating, and also products that specify for kinky, coily, type 4 hair. And that's exactly what I have, is type 4 hair. So when it comes to detangling your hair and adding that extra hydration to it, I really love that this product did exactly that. The My Black is Beautiful Edge Slayer. Now, I know we're always on the hunt trying to find the perfect edge control, and this is like top 2021 edge controls for me. So I went ahead and parted my hair and added a little bit of edge control to one section to make sure that I don't have any flyaways when I get ready to do my flat twist. And now I'm grabbing the My Black is Beautiful Curl Cream. Ooh, good stuff. Good stuff, and gives you so much definition. I wanted to stop and go ahead and do a wash and go, but I kept going. So I'm adding the edge layer to my roots and also to my edges. This is going to help make sure that I have some really clean parts and making sure I have no flyaways as I'm flat twisting my hair. I then added the curl cream to the section as well and began to flat twist. Okay, so you can see that I left a little bit of the hair untwisted. I'm not going to go all the way toward the bottom. Now this style came out better than I thought, because I was freestyling the front of my head. All I knew is I wanted to do some flat twists in the front and then make sure that the back was some individual 2-strand twists. All right, so we got 3 out the way, and then as you can see toward the back is untwisted. I did not flat twist all the way to the bottom. I'm gonna add some more edge layer and some more curl cream and then flat twist my last section. And voila, we got some clean parts and we have some beautiful flat twists. Now for the section that I did not flat twist, we're just gonna do some individual 2-strand twists, and I'm just grabbing the curl cream for that. I did not need the edge. So I have a total of 6 2-strand twists, and I did it this way because this is going to make my little low buns a little bit more fuller when I have the individuals toward the bottom and then just did the halfway flat twist. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take an elastic band, and then I'm gonna grab some bobby pins and go ahead and twirl each ponytail around into a bun. Now I'm going to brush my edges out and then reach for the edge layer and lay these bad boys down. Now I really love this edge layer because not only did it help with my clean parts, but it also smoothed these edges down and it's flake free. And that's super important when you have your scalp and your hair exposed like that, because everybody can see flakes, and it did not do that. So I am super pleased with my results using My Black is Beautiful Golden Milk collection. And if you want your hands on these products too, make sure you check out the list of retailers in the description box. Until next time, queens.